Discover how I made over $1,000 online with digital products that most creators overlook. In this video, I'll reveal 5 unique products you can create and sell today. Welcome to Profit Pixel, your go-to hub for digital products that save time and grow your income. I've been testing what really sells, and these 5 products are in high demand right now. Stick around to learn about 5 unique digital products, the tools I use, and how you can launch your first product in just 24 hours. Let's get started. First up, interactive PDF workbooks. These aren't just static PDFs. They have feasible fields and clickable links. For example, my social media content planner allows users to fill in their calendar digitally. These sell for $15 to $47 each. Start with a Canva presentation, add text boxes, and export as a PDF. Next, niche-specific Notion templates. Think Digital Product Launch Planner or Etsy Shop Inventory Manager. These templates sell for $19 to $97. The more specific your niche, the higher you can charge. Always include a short video demo to increase perceived value. Third, Canva animation templates. These stand out and sell for more than static designs. I use Canva's animation features to create Instagram stories and Reels covers, selling packs for $25 to $47. They're quick to make and look professional. Fourth, email sequence templates. These are complete sequences with subject lines and timing notes, selling for $37 to $127. They save time and help businesses make money. Include a guide on customization to add value. Finally, social media audit checklists. These are like getting a pro consultation for $17 to $37. Make your checklist actionable with specific tasks, like add 1 to 2 keywords your ideal client searches for. To start, use Canva for design, Notion for templates, and Gumroad for selling. Begin with a low price, then bundle products for more value. I launched my first product in a weekend. Create 3 to 5 variations, write a simple sales page, and launch. Download my free Canva template starter pack. Link in the description. Comment below which product you'll try first. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe for more digital product strategies.